He's so big! So cute. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is the look that we're gonna be doing today. Yay! I got this really amazing collection from PUR Cosmetics. They came out with a whole super cute collection with, I guess the Grinch movie that just came out, which is absolutely adorable. So if you haven't seen it, go see it. It was so cute. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here. It's inspired by this photo from Eric C. Duh. I think that's how you say his Instagram name. He's so talented. He makes these amazing, amazing face charts, and I'm obsessed with all of them from the holidays. So make sure to go and check him out. So we're gonna be creating this look using this collection. We're gonna be doing a bit of skincare first, and even before that, I'm gonna swatch this really pretty palette for you guys and anything else that you wanna see from this collection. And then I'm gonna be showing you how I got this look. So if you would like to see the swatches and everything about the Grinch collection, keep on watching. And if you just wanna see this tutorial right here, then skip a little bit ahead. Okay, let's do it.
All right, so here's the whole collection right here that PUR sent over. It is a big collection. There's a couple pieces in it. This is the main piece from the collection. Look at how cute. This is the eyeshadow palette and all of the eyeshadows inside. Comes with like 2 glitters, a highlight, a blush, and then 8 shadows and like a lip balm in the center that turns to like your perfect pinkish red. Here are the swatches of that palette. And then it comes with a couple of liners. There's a green, a black, a red, and then like a glittery white. There's a brush set with 5 brushes. And then there's a bunch of skincare, which you're gonna see me try in just a second. There's this mask, color changing mask, and then there is a kit with 4 mini masks.
Hello you guys, we're filming the other part of this PUR and Grinch video. I'm gonna be trying out the skincare kits. They look like complete utter you know what right now, and it's totally fine. So we have this guy. This is the Beware of Perfection 4-piece mask gift set, mask sampler mask gift set. And all of these look like little balls. They're so cute. You know, if you wanted to, you could just like gift one of these to everybody. Put them in the stocking or something, you know. And the other one, which I'm really excited to try, is the Grinch Stole My Look Color Changing Skin Perfecting Clay Mask. I have tried a mask that does something similar to this before, and it's actually really, really cool. So I want to try this one first. So I'm gonna... Here we go. So the, oh my god, it's turning red. Whoa! Wow, that's so cool. It's like orange, but like, wow! That's so cool. Look at that. Oh my god, the more I rub it, the redder it gets. Wow, that's insane. This mask needs more love. This is so cool. How does it even do that? I don't even care what this mask is for. It's just cool. All right, we're gonna wait for this to dry and I'll be back. We are back. So it doesn't really change any color. I can't say that it's fully red. Athena, just relax for 2 seconds. Ooh, that is staining. So it feels just like a normal mask. Definitely really cool. So all of these little guys look like, we have a couple peel-off masks. So we have a gold peel-off mask, we have a purple tightening mask, we have a muddy clay mask, and we have a silver moisturizing mask. So, oh, they're so cute. And this guy is the mud mask. Ooh, this one looks really, really cool. Is that what it looks like on the inside? Hold on. open it up. Oh. Oh, they tricked me. It's not shiny. So here's the mud mask. It's a little guy in here. I thought it was gonna be shimmery and gold. So then did they trick me for this one too? Is this one actually white? Oh, this one's not even shimmery. The purple pore punisher. Looks like it's a shimmery purple. Oh, and it indeed is a shimmery purple. Okay, I haven't been fully tricked. This is a cool color. This is like an iridescent purple. Let's see how shimmery gold he is. I think this one's actually gonna be gold. It is! Ooh, and it's like a super glittery gold too. Here's the gold one. The gold one's actually really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like it has like white glitter specks in it. So cute. So these guys are in a pack of 4 for $28, and you can, I feel like these are really cute, like little gifts if you want to do something just really small, like for someone that you weren't really planning on getting a gift maybe, and you just want to do like a card and a little gift. These have like a to and from on it, so you can split them all so that you have 4 little gifts. And that's it for the collection. Let's move on to the tutorial. Let's do it. Let's play with some makeup.
Alright guys, so we are going to start out with just a transition color in our crease, and then we're going to jump over to the red. The red was kind of coming out a little bit orange, so I jumped into the Huda Ruby Obsessions palette and just added a little bit of red to my crease. Well, more than a little bit of red, like a lot of red. And then I went into the darker red and I just really blended that all over my entire eye and deepened out the inner and outer corners and also the crease. I made the transition color of my brow bone a little bit softer with the lighter pink color, and then I added some mascara. I'm popping on some lashes from, I believe this is Glowed Up Cosmetics lashes. All the info is going to be in the description down below, so make sure to check that out. I'm going to be using these 2 Cover FX primers. I believe they're both like they're classic primers. They just like repackaged everything. I'm then going to blend my Makeup Forever matte foundation all over my face, and then for concealer I went along with the Milk Makeup concealer, which you'll see in just a second. Here it is. It wasn't as light as I wanted to go, but I made it work. I'm just gonna blend that in all the highlight areas as I always do. You know, fun stuff. And then I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder on a beauty blender to set underneath my eyes and in all the highlight areas, and just kind of like all the areas around my mouth and like the T-zone. And then I used a big fluffy brush to blend it all over the rest of my face. I then jumped over to whatever shadow was left on my brushes, and I'm just going to blend that underneath the eyes to bring the eyes together, add some mascara. And then we're jumping over to bronzer. This is the MAC Patrick Star bronzer from, I believe, this summer. And I'm just using this cute little Tarte brush to blend it. So once I've applied all the bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. This is just a blush from the eyeshadow palette to the apples of my cheeks. I cut the contour a little bit. And then I used my Benefit brow mascara just to get all the powder off my eyebrows. And then I'm spraying this Catrice makeup setting spray and then adding some highlight to the just every highlight area on my face, including the eyes. And then moving on to the lips. So the lips, I really have to work on how I film my lip, like how I do my lips and everything like that on camera, you guys, because I'm so bad at it. But I'm gonna keep trying. I'm lining my lips with Brick Lip Pencil from MAC and then filling them in with the Fenty Beauty Senna lip paint. And then I went over to the black liquid liner. You guys, I'll be really honest with you, I like the black liquid liner. I like the actual formula, but the brush is absolutely horrific. It is horrific, especially when you're trying to do super little details like these. I should have just used my detail brush, but we went with it. We tried to make it work. I just feel like this lip look could have been so much more clean, but I am copying the picture. I'm kind of like looking at how the plaid was done in Eric Sida's picture, and I am literally copying it like to the T, because I had no idea how to make like plaid, and I just was so confused this whole time. So I'm like looking back and forth at the picture. So first I did just the general lines in black, filled in wherever it needed to be filled in with solid black, and then I kind of like dried off the liner just a little bit so that I can kind of do these more like woven type of pieces in the plaid. And then we moved on to the white. I didn't realize that the white liquid liner was glittery until I opened it, and I just wanted to give it a shot. So I tried it and it wasn't as opaque as I wanted it to be, so I took my Suva Beauty Hydra liner in White Panda, I believe it's called, and I used a tiny little brush to fill in the white parts of the lips, and that kind of completed the detail in the lips. I noticed in the face chart there was a little bit of black in the center of the crease, so I just decided to add that with a little 221 brush from MAC. And then I added some little crystals. This was actually from MAC's holiday collection last year. I'm just gonna add those to the inner corners and also the top of my lip where my Cupid's bow is. Just add a little bit of, you know, rhinestones and glitter to the look, and this is the complete look.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed the Grinch and PUR Cosmetics collection. It is honestly so cute. Let me know in the comments below if you picked up any of these pieces from this collection, or if you're planning on picking up any of the pieces to this collection. And of course, as always, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here on my face, and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. I love you guys, happy holidays, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.